Toll rates for North-South Highway to be revealed later this week. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we look at the impact of the new highway on business in some parts of St. Catherine.
JPS to begin construction of new power plant.
Concerns linger that not enough is being done to ensure sustainable water supply in Jamaica.
And in the business day, calls for nutraceutical industry to be developed as a viable non-traditional export.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you make of the opposition leader's tour of the north-south leg of Highway 2000 today?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns after this break.